Public School of Bihar.
Hello Sanvi, how are you?
Hello Aditi, I am fine, thank you. And what about you?
I'm also fine. What are you doing?
Nothing special, same as old. I am preparing for 12th. I just started the first chapter of maths. And what about you?
I'm just studying. I'm going to college.
And what about your 11th examination? Is it over?
No, it is not over. It will come on June.
Then share your experience of college.
I don't like college because the study is not good in college in comparison to school. I like to go to school but not to college. And what's your opinion about school and college?
Yes, I also think that in school we are more disciplined, and in college we are just doing whatever the student wants. If they want to join class, they can join. If they want to bunk, they can bunk easily, and no one is there to restrict them. But there is so enjoyment in school. We enjoyed a lot in our school.
Yes, you are right. That in college the students are misbehaving the teachers also. In my opinion, also that school life is more better than college, and the study of school is more better.
Study and also enjoy there. According to me, school life is more better than college life.
Yes, are you in college or school?
I'm in school.
Oh, which school?
My school name is DAV Public School of Bihar.
Oh, so I think your school life is more better. And you
Yeah,
didn't.
I enjoy a lot in my
Yes,
school.
I am in college, but I didn't enjoy well this year in comparison to school. School life is more better, and I miss my school life more
Yes, and
because my friends are more in the school, and we enjoyed a lot in school.